Hey, what's going on, guys? Tim here again. So this is the Patreon giveaway winner announcement for this month. And yeah, so if you aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to support the channel. You can get access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway. So anyone supporting at the $3 level, the $2 level or higher will get automatically entered into the monthly giveaway. And because we have over 100 patrons, we are doing 2 winners per month. All right, so let's just quickly go over the prizes. And of course, we're doing the Weavers of Eternity fish hook keychain. We did them Cobra knot this time. We went with the kind of weathered brass finish, the antique brass finish is what I'm trying to say. And of course, it does have the Weavers of Eternity tag on there, and as well some cool little beads. It's got these like dragon beads. So one winner will get also this Schmuckatelli bead. It's like a Spartan kind of skull thing. Some dragon beads. And the other one will get this, it's like a saber-toothed tiger skull, which is pretty cool. And some dragon beads. I'll throw in some little extras as well that only the winners will see. So yeah, if you want details on how to enter or how to support me on Patreon, link is in the video here as well as down below. And the winners for this month I've randomly chosen. The winners are Kamal M and Danny M. So yeah, congrats to you guys. You guys have been supporting me for a little while now, and actually Danny's one of my biggest supporters, so huge thank you to him. And he's also quite an accomplished paracordist. So yeah, congrats to you guys. I will be emailing you to get your shipping details, so keep an eye out for my email. And you know, huge thank you to all my current Patreon supporters at any level. You guys are making a huge difference for me, and I really appreciate the fact that you guys will, you know, support me on that platform. And also huge thank you to everyone else, you know, if you're just a viewer, subscriber, or whatnot. Yeah, thanks for watching the videos. All right, so that is it for me today so far, and I will see you guys on the next video.